Gray skies hanging, feeling kinda blue. Same old story, nothing feels brand new. World keeps spinning, throwing lemons my way. Another sour morning, another cloudy day. Sighed and slumped, about to give it in. Then a splash of color peeking through the din. Orange glow, a citrusy surprise, shining in the sunlight right before my eyes. When life gives you tangerines, juicy and so sweet, don't you dwell on lemons, tap your dancing feet. Embrace the sunshine in each tiny burst. Let go of bitter moments, quench that sour thirst. Maybe plans have crumbled, dreams seem out of reach. Storm clouds gather, trying hard to breach. But a different path is open, a new adventure calls.